Hello, we are going to create a histogram using Excel. We are going to use this column of data, but first we need to calculate this value of the data because this information can help us get our desired histogram. Select the data, insert, click insert. Histogram is this icon. Choose the basic one. Copy this histogram to the top because we want to beautify it. Make bigger. Click one point in the chart. Left click. Format data series. Go to bins. We choose bin width and the default setting is 0.06. We want it to be 0.1. That means 10% because the standard deviation is 13%. And the overflowed bin, because the mass value is this one, so we want it to be 0.4. The underflow bin, because the mean value is this one, so we want it to be minus 0.5. Enter. Okay, we got a beautiful histogram. We add data label on. Click one point in the chart. Add data labels. Oh, we have the frequency for every category. The only thing left is the title. We just type title. That's all. And I'm going to show you another way to create a histogram. First, we need to build the bin. The first upper bound of the bin is minus 0.5. That means minus 50%, just according to this category. And then the second is, okay, just write down. This is our bin. And then we go to data. Click data analysis icon. Choose histogram. Click OK. Open the dialog box. And then the input range. We select the data we want to put in. And then bit range. We just select this data. Output range. Just click one empty cell here. And we want the chart output, and we click OK. Now we have both the frequency table and also the histogram. But strictly speaking, a histogram shall not have gaps between bars. So we need to make adjustments. Click one point in the chart and format data series. And then go to gap width. Turn it to big 0. And then we can add the data label also too. Okay, that is another way to create a histogram. Let me show you how to create another way to create a histogram. Let's go to income inequality. These two columns of data I download from this website. This data came from a survey in 2016 in the U.S. About annual income. There were around 2,500 or 259,000 respondents. I calculated the other three columns data because I am curious. But now we just focus on these two columns of data. We select it, and then we want to create a histogram. Go to Insert, and then click the histogram icon. Click this one, and it looks not so good. No worry, we are going to beautify it. And click one point in the chart and format data scenarios. Go to bins. Choose by category. Okay. Now we have a perfect histogram matching our data and the categories. We just need to put the title on. That's very useful. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a Pareto. A Pareto actually is a kind of histogram sorted from the most frequency to the least frequency. Let me show you how to do it. Select the data. Press Shift, Control, and downward arrow at the same time. And click the Insert tab. And click histogram icon, and this one is Pareto. Oh, we got a Pareto here. Let's move to here. Okay, let's beautify it. Click one point in the chart and format data scenarios. Let's set it to bin width as 0.1, overflow bin 0.4, underflow bin minus 0.5. Enter. Oh, we got a beautiful Pareto here. This is the bars or the categories sorted from the most frequency to the least frequency, and this orange line is the cumulative relative frequency. There is a pretty well-known rule referred as Pareto rule, also sometimes referred as 80%, 20% rule. that means 80% of outcomes is contributed by 20% of factors. Let's check this rule on this chart. 80% is here, and then we go through the intersection points around here. Intersection points around here. So this intersection point counts horizontal axis counts around 2.5 category here. And we have 11 category here. 2.5 divided by 11 is roughly 20%. That means the Pareto rule applied in this case. And that's all.